Hello? Hello. It's me, Teddy. And by the way, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, because that's the only way I'm reading what you typed to me. Um, hello, wife. Nice to see you. What's going on? Definitely wanted to step back and be like, what happened? We left before the CPI this morning. We're saying, oh, the CPI is going to be bad. The market's going to crash. I wouldn't be investing in anything. Right now. And then out of nowhere, the crypto crashes, maybe an hour, if that, and then pumps right back up to pre-CPI prices, like before the release. What happened? Where did all this money come from? Who was investing during that time? Eddie T, what's going on? Nice to see you. What up, GGG? Hit that like button. Absolutely. Do want to say we are only 2 days away from the reveal party for the Ganja Goons NFTs. Anyone that hasn't bought them yet, definitely give us your support. GanjaGoons.net, and you can mint your own Ganja Goon NFT, whether it's the FOMO collection or the Goons collection. Both have their own set of utilities and further benefits for holding as well. So definitely want to share a very fun article because I left you right before. It was like 8:30. I'm like, boom, I'm going to end the stream right here. And whatever happens, and we'll reconvene after. Well, we didn't really have to reconvene because nothing really happened. Teddy, I will buy one, just waiting for payday. Eddie T, I appreciate it. Not financial advice, but I'm glad you will, buddy. Sounds great. So this was the Bitcoin Magazine article that popped up here on the CPI inflation date, 40-year high. So this is the highest it's been, right? 9.1. We were expecting 8.6 in the morning stream, I believe. Some of the articles, the predictions, the Twitter gurus that are so savvy at predicting the price, right? They all predicted around 8.5, 8.6. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, released U.S. consumer price inflation data for the month of June, showcasing a new 40-year high, 9.1%, as Bitcoin struggles to hold 19,000 at the time of writing. So at the time of writing this, right, in the morning, Bitcoin was actually at, let me refresh here. This was, I think, yesterday's. Or wait, did it pump back up to 20,000 right now? No way. Wait a second. Yeah, it did. What is going on? Dude, this just makes no sense right now to me.
Teddy, the CPI numbers are going to be bad. Everything's going to crash, Teddy. I've been doing crypto a long time. I know these things. You don't know.
So here it is, the bottom, July 13th, right? I'm on the one day. So we were literally at the bottom at 19,000, right? And we pumped all the way back up, right? We ate that entire dip, and we're still going strong. And yet again, this is where my trend lines come in. And look, it is still relatively upward trending. Still. What's up, John? Nice to see you. What's going on? GGG, hit that like. What's still going on? Crypto Live? I miss you, buddy. Teddy, GGG. So, we all thought. I mean, I don't know. I hadn't heard any influencer out there in any of the streams I watched where they said, hey, tomorrow's going to be great. Everything's going to be going back for the reversal. No one could have predicted this, guys. This is why. If someone's telling you they can predict crypto and they can tell you what's going to happen, unless they have insider information, no one is predicting what's happening to Bitcoin right now. The only thing that is known is that no one knows. Jim Miko in the building. Absolutely. What I tell you about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin. John Crispalla, you were right yesterday. I did also give you my 2 cents where I was like, dude, everyone's saying it's going to go down. maybe wait, and you didn't wait. And also, shout out to all those guys that made me buy VGX. Made me buy. I didn't want to buy it. But everything told me to buy it. I did hold on to the Shivalingam that stream. So the winners of the Ganja Goons gang, we did almost 2.3x that investment. So if you also, not financial advice, but if you also saw the moves that I made, I did pull out close to an ETH out of that, and I'm letting like the rest ride. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, very good investment there with the VGX. Called that. Yeah, you did, John. Yeah, you did. You definitely did. What up, Waddy? Hello, Teddy. Thank you for your DM. Someone will contact me. Yes, Andrew. Someone will contact you. I don't do the if you will, the sales for Shibnobi software, so that will come through, and you'll go up right to ensuring that you're done there. Waddy the Crypto Hunter. Yep. Yet again, TA's wrong, analysts are wrong. Tell me, is it like, how much more proof do you need? You know, how much more proof do you need? I did see the other day. Oh, Teddy, you said it was downward trending. That's because you keep drawing your trends in upward. If you go, and he drew some crazy thing, dude. Wait, let me see. I think it was something like this. And then he drew this. Like, literally, you can make these things look any way that you want, right? This is falling into a wedge pattern, Teddy. And then once these two converge in the line, that's when we'll hit bottom. And I'm like, bro, with that, if that's what you believe, right? The fact that would happen is like in the 3000s. I mean, I've been wrong before, so if we truly, not even 3000s, bro. There's no way you're in the negatives here. It doesn't matter how you draw trend lines. If you want to see the chart go a certain way, I can make this chart freaking dance for you guys. Let me see here. What up, Eddie T? What up, indeed? I personally think that the market is anticipating the CPI reading as a very possible peak of inflation. At the very least, we get to rest until August, new CPI. And that's true, because in August, I mean, gas prices are down from June, right? Oh man, I wish I could find that article where that Twitter dude like tore apart the CPI, and he's like, we had an energy increase, gasoline went up, this went up, that went up, so it's going to be 8.6. This is my prediction. Hey, you're pretty close. Round up 9. Yeah. Former crypto advisor Michael Barr confirmed as top U.S. financial watchdog. An ex-Ripple advisor. Celsius starting bankruptcy proceedings report. Let's go. Oh, hey, Teddy. Oh, hey, Steve. What's going on? We're just chilling here, looking at why the crypto market did not take a fall, a tumble. Literally everything is relatively the same from before CPI release. Who actually bought during that time to bring Bitcoin up? You know, that's my first question, because almost everywhere I was reading, guys, like, it's like, don't buy it, don't do it, right? And then out of nowhere, we're all expecting it to tank, except John Crispalla, right? He came to our chat yesterday. He's like, all the influencers are wrong. I'm buying this. It's going to pump tomorrow, you know? And yeah, for like maybe 1 hour, right? For like that 1 hour today, we were wrong. And I mean, we were right. John was wrong. But right immediately after that, it pumped right back up. It literally did. So here it is, right? So let's see. Can I go to 8, July 11th, 12th, 13th? So right about here. So you see this big red candlestick down? This is the CPI release, right? Let me try and make this look better. I try to make it look better, but it's still gonna look bad, so don't hate. Let's see. All right, so you see right here, this is 8:30, big red candle down from 20,000 to about 19,000. It basically dropped $1,000 immediately. And then during that time, I think when it was at 19,000, we're all expecting it to go down lower. but all these buys came in and pumped the price above like the last high, which was on the 13th of 20,000. But literally, I would not be surprised if we are right back at 20,000. Let's see, 20,700, because it truly seems like a possibility right now. Let's see, this is the 1 hour mark. I'm not trusting the MA here. I'm gonna go to the 1 day, as 1 day tells me a little bit more what's happening. Okay, yeah. Maybe it will pump down more. Just doing what I do. Just doing what I do, Waddy. What I do, Waddy? Yeah, there was no drama really. Where was there supposed to be drama? How you doing? Crypto is the salvation of the economy. People are going to realize all this dump are set by the Fed in order to create panic. That's what you know what? Ways to say it without saying it. I completely agree with you, Mr. Future. One of the main things that went through my head when I saw the price coming back up is, one, who's buying when we don't know if 19,000 was the bottom? It almost felt like, hey, CPI went down and then someone, printed more money and they were able to use that money to buy more. Because most of the crypto investors, it's been flatlining for how long? The volume's been consistently the same for how long? It's like they were ready. Whoever did, guys, a teddy, one single teddy is not enough to move this chart as quickly as it fell to as quickly as it went up, right? Obviously there's bigger whales out there that are still have that smart money that were able to buy that 19,000. Now my fear is the same people that give us these numbers are also, not the same people, but the same sector, if you will, also have a hand in buying up the dips that they cause. The artificial dips, artificial pumps, and you're still at the same price. If they do it, right? I've said this about Bitcoin and China, right? Every time China has banned Bitcoin 6 times. All 6 times, Bitcoin went down, right? As soon as it went down, someone bought it and it pumped the price back up. And then it's assume, right? I'm not saying they did, but if I was the government, right? And I see all these guys using this thing and I wanted to get a sweet, sweet price, I'm going to dump the price and I'm going to get it for low and pump it back up and wait and hold. Why would I not do that? Why would anyone not think to do that? Oh, hey, Eddie, exhausted still, but how good? How are you? Teddy, that was the last time we test 19 before heading down. Oh, you think that was just a test on 19? You think it's gonna go? I mean, we're at 20,200 right now. We're at 20,200 right now. And market cap 385. The Bitcoin market cap has relatively been stable. I have seen Ethereum dip a tad bit more, but the price is still good. So there's definitely demand. GGG 4 liters, Shaman says. Market manipulation. Absolutely. I feel like there is true market manipulation. And the thing is, you're not going to, oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. So, right, here's the energy. I'm sorry, ADHD. I was looking for this earlier. I couldn't find it. I guess it was on Twitter. It was just on this article. So this guy did a prediction. He forecasted 8.8. Let's go in here. He forecasted 8.8, and he said the reason was gasoline, which we know, went up. Electricity, went up. Utility, gas service, your utilities all went up, right? If you're using energy, the price is up. Someone's paying for it, we're paying for it, right? So CPI came from his calculations as 8.84 for June. Well, now we know gas has gone down. My fear is because of, I hate using this word. I really do, because I want mass adoption, mass amount of people, more people saying it than just me. But recession, right? Recession. What is recession? When do you declare a recession, right? I've always been told CPI is one of the numbers that tells you whether we're in a recession, or not even CPI, but like indicators in this market that our government needs to tell us and be like, guys, we're in a recession. And I feel like as soon as not only our government, any governmental body to tell us, hey, okay, we're in a recession, because guys, the dollar and the euro is equivalent to each other right now. This hasn't happened since 2002. Someone needs to tell us what is going on, because none of these articles, I can read all these articles in here, right? I can shill to you CoinDesk articles left and right, but none of these actually tell us the true things that are happening in crypto. Where is this money going? But then if you look at the same information in stocks, you go, oh, I can make great informed stock decisions. But at the same time, all these stock companies, all they do is they watch the money. Where's the money coming from? Where did it originate? Where is it going? In crypto, it's so much harder to do that. In crypto, I cannot tell you that this person that used Tornado Cash is this wallet here, and these two wallets relate to each other. But if you give me enough time, I can make that correlation. So all these guys that think they're getting crafty, Tornado Cash, Teddy, no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. And it's like, yeah, they're gonna know. The FBI has traced Tornado Cash multiple times in order to find culprits, right? So it's already a known thing. It is traceable, but you hear all these fake I'm going into big conspiracy theory here, and it's just not appropriate, so we'll just stop right there. But my end goal is literally that this Bitcoin pump that came after the CPI got released did not make sense to me. I did not think that people were ready to buy Bitcoin at 19,000 as quickly as they did to eat up that entire dip. It just made no sense. There was no articles coming out saying, hey, all this artificial, because the average investor like me and you are not moving. I'm sorry, you may not be an average. You may actually be a whale watching this stream right now. Thank you for stopping by. Smash that like. There's a like somewhere down there. I also subscribe and the notifications bell, all that good things. But the average, like if I bought one Bitcoin, you think I'm going to pump this back up $1,000? You think Bitcoin from my one Bitcoin purchase is going to? No, this is thousands and thousands of dollars coming in at the same time to eat that dip. This is thousands and thousands of dollars coming in at the same time to eat this dip. There is just no way, right? So I'm sorry, I'm on a tangent, but like it really is something that I feel it does not make sense, because no one can tell me this. Now, I don't see a single article out here that tells me, hey, actually, we were wrong. Yeah, it's like, oh, CPI is gonna be bad. Oh, all these like panic news, the crypto articles, and I'm showing you, right? I'm not making this stuff up. You guys follow me on the stream. You know that yesterday the CPI news was bad. They were indicating it's going to be very high. It's going to cause a big crash. Where's the crash? Show me the crash. What, an hour crash? No, this feels artificial. I just don't believe this. Personally, I've been loading up on tier 1 tokens. Absolutely. I've been stacking all the blue chips as well. Yo, what up, everyone? GGG. Chaka, what's going on? Chaka, I do have you down. I will be sending you, I believe, GGG merch. I think I have all your details, but that will be coming either early next week or at the end of this week. Also, BTC will die once XRP win the lawsuit. Mr. Future, you can't. Do you know how much XRP would have to come up in market cap to kill Bitcoin? You really think that? I'm sorry. I'm not even trying to FUD your bag or FUD my bag. I'm trying to be reasonable here. We're at 15 billion. Let's assume XRP wins the case. I think maximum, if it's gonna move from 7, maybe it'll go to 5 and be right alongside BNB, and that's me being very optimistic, right? So that's more than double. I don't think people are just going to mass buy XRP. I just don't. It's not in enough. All these exchanges stopped trading XRP. We need another like Luna C situation to happen. April 2023. And also keep in mind, the other thing that scares me is usually government cases, when people sue the government, 90% of those cases, actually, I think it's higher than 90%. I want to say like 98 or 97% of the cases, the government wins. You go fight Big Daddy government, it's very rare you'll win. It's very rare you'll win. April 2023 will be a good day. Yes. Yes, it will. All of April. I was like, what does that mean? Yo, if you told me that the government in April of 2020, 420, was gonna pay me to sit at my house and smoke all day, I would have never believed it. But now I'm in 2022. Bro, they really did. They sent everybody checks, bro. They sent everybody checks. They told them stay in your house. Don't do anything. Don't leave your house. Teddy, it's 2 negative quarters of GDP growth. That tells you when you're in a recession. CPI is how weak. Okay, Mike Ray. Wait, Mike Ray? This is the guy. Teddy, it's 2 negative quarters of GDP growth. That tells you when you're in a recession. CPI is how weak the dollar is for purchasing power inflation. CPI is how weak the dollar is for purchasing power inflation. Mike Ray, you're going to have to give me more lessons because I understand what you're saying as in the English terminology, but I'm having a hard time processing the second portion of this. They're about to call me, I bet. Teddy, damn it. We talked about this. F the inflection. Soon the investor won't effing care about the CPI. They don't care about the CPI right now. CPI didn't mean shit. All those pump and dump articles, all those clickbaity articles like Bitcoin circled up pre-CPI mid-warning. Fed risk blowing up. Where's the blow up, guys? Show it to me. Where is it? Consumer price. No, I know what CPI is, consumer price index. What I meant was I didn't understand like how I guess I'm not understanding why you're not declaring it a recession, right? GDP growth, so 2 negative quarters. So I need another, so it's 1 quarter so far, so end of this quarter, then it would be 2 quarters. Okay, I think that makes sense. Gross domestic product. Okay, I see. First, 1 is how much it costs to buy things. The other is how much you produce as a nation. So how we producing, Mike? How we producing? Teddy, sorry I'm late. Wait, Red Sox, were you late? No, that was this morning. All the days they blur into one. How long till 2 more days? 2 more days till reveal. BTC is the enemy of crypto. The MT is controlling. The Fed is controlling the market by dumping and pumping Bitcoin. And I believe this because my eyes were opened by my very own friend, Dusty Tillerson, who I will say to this day has been spot on with almost, is this you? Yeah, this is you. Has been spot on. JP Morgan is reporting earnings tomorrow. They're kicking off the financial sector earnings season. My guess is that whatever happens will probably edge the market one way or another. It'll be fun to watch. We're in another rate hike. Me, like many others, is expecting another drop in crypto. CPI 9.1%. I don't know what this is referencing, but I thought it was funny. I did like it. I still don't think we've hit the full-blown capitulation yet. I think we are just starting. Too many people, although bearish, still do not understand the gravity of the situation we're in. Only the weak demand equality. Yo, is that Alex Jones? All right, let's read. 7:15 is Teddy. Red Sox, it's okay. Sit down. We're learning as the goons right now. Gross domestic product. 1 is how much? Yep, we read this. CPI didn't affect things as much because we assumed they were gonna lie. They didn't. We are not producing well. No, we're not producing well. No, I believe the Fed may have pumped the market today. I now believe that too after talking to Dusty Tillerson. I also believe the Fed pumped the market. Hence the reduction in the 10-year yield. This is their soft landing. They definitely did. Steve the Canadian exists. For example, shitcoin didn't dump that bad when Bitcoin dumped hard. For some reason, was perming pretty well. There are so many things I can't explain because even when I went to talk to Dusty Tillerson, I was like, dude, CPI came out and the market crashed. And I had just checked the graphs when right before I saw him. As many of you know, Dusty Tillerson is my gym partner. Me and him hit the gym, and I tried to stay fit so I can be here a long time. But he's definitely way better at it than I do. I know many of you are like, Teddy, you don't go to the gym. Get out of here. You're too heavy, bro. But I do go. There's Dusty in the back. That's our gym. That's me. Really happened. All right. We do the things. You know, we do the things. Teddy Terrarium 19.9 burn. So what will happen? It's gonna go up. It's gonna pump. Sell. I mean, don't sell. I mean, don't listen to me. Just do your own, whatever you do when you get profits. Find what works for you. Find what works for you. Yeah, so this is a conversation that I even had with Dusty himself, and I was like, dude, nothing makes sense anymore. I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to drop in price, and the CPI came out. Did Bitcoin drop for like, what, an hour? And it came right back up to normal, you know? And he was like, what, you thought it was going to crash more? And I'm like, that's what everyone's been chilling. That's what everyone's been saying. Guys, don't buy right now. Now's a horrible time. Market's not looking good. The inflation's up. Who bought all this stuff, man? Who is moving this chart? Who is moving this chart? Where did all that money come from? It's scary. It's scary. That's what it is. Wait, let's see. Reddit. I haven't done Reddit cryptocurrency in a long time. I know many of you love the segment and many of you hate the segment, but this is part of the crypto news. So we will Ripple score wins against. We already know that. Celsius. Today will not be a good day for crypto. Here we go. Here's one of them, but might be a good day for you. New inflation numbers coming out today. The markets are already panicking. Reports are coming out about June inflation rates hitting 9.1%. Today will be a red day, which might not be good for crypto, but if you were waiting for the right time to buy, this might be it. Show me the crash. Show me the crash. I know some of you don't look at the charts anymore, so I brought the charts to you. Bitcoin down $1,000 morning in about 10 minutes. Imagine this original OG poster responding now. It's like, hey, buddy, pump back up. So strap on tight because today is going to be a bumpy ride. We're out of it. We're out of it. If we keep buying the dip, eventually we will buy the bottom. I love that. I love that. Imagine you do. So we saw many articles like this up to this day. Never bet against plunge protection team. What? Never bet against the plunge. What's the plunge protection team? Mike, I feel like we need to have you on the stream so we can get some of your ideas out, bro. Dude, my Pixel is up 25% from what I invested. Your Pixel? What? What? No way. I'm sorry, I just have to check this real quick. Get out of here. Get out of here. There hasn't been a single buy or sell since 627. It's not up. It's not up. The plunge protection team is the Federal Reserve. Okay, so yeah, you also believe, just like Dusty Tillerson, you believe the Fed pumped and dumped, or dumped and then pumped the price. So they have money that they just printed, and they bought up all this Bitcoin and all these cryptos, and are artificially doing this so they can get a good entry point. How to remember your 12-word seed phrase. Did anyone actually end up remembering their 12-word seed phrase? Did anyone actually follow that article? Prime Day is here. What are you guys buying for Prime Day? What is it? What is it? After checking my portfolio daily for over 3 years, last month I haven't checked it once. I couldn't be happier. Yeah, I feel like I need to start doing that. I never look at my portfolio. and we just talk about crypto all day. Crypto. GameStop's NFT marketplace earns the company $45,000 in first day. Have we seen the normalization of the NFT market? I don't think so. Brute forcing 531,441 seeds only to lose a Reddit challenge. No, that's dumb. You've been served via NFT. Court gives okay to sue on blockchain. Is this real? You've been sued via NFT. In Britain, you can now use the blockchain to sue someone. Yes, let's go. It's happening. A UK judge gave the go-ahead to serve legal documents. Yeah, I got airdropped more today, taking me over what I invested. How is that even possible? I thought the thing's not tradable. Did they make a new contract address? I have like 14 plus seed phrases. Shaman, how are you gonna... Oh my god, imagine a dust NFT showing up in your wallet only to find out you've been served. The scammers are gonna get really crazy now. They're gonna start dusting your NFT tab with fake summons to the court. It's like, hey, you have to report to court, or you can give 5 Bitcoin to this wallet address and you'll be aight. That'd be hilarious. The court also ruled that the exchanges were responsible for ensuring stolen crypto is not moved or taken out of their systems. How is an exchange gonna know if a crypto... Guys, by the way, European Shinja, shout out to you, buddy. I'm so disappointed in the way that the Ledger team responded to you. You 100%, I have no idea how your Ledger was hacked. It is so unfortunate to see that even you activating your Ledger in the proper way and still having your token stolen from a Ledger, from something that wasn't even connected, that when you went to go check, all your funds were gone, taken out of Shiba Swap and stuff. That is crazy. I've said since day one, I don't believe in cold wallets. I just don't. It makes no sense. But everyone has their own way. Everyone has their own way to secure it. But I know you were very security centric, and it still happened to you. So if it happened to you, it can happen to anybody. And when you reached out to the Ledger team, what they said was, you must have activated the Ledger from a different link instead of our own. What if it's a freaking inside job, bro? You went right to the link and you activated it. Why else did the Ledger work for so long? You know, I feel like they're keeping a database of all of our seeds. I don't trust the Ledger guys. I don't trust any cold wallet. Those seed phrases are somewhere. It's not just you that has them. There has to be somewhere that they have this. How else are people losing stuff from Ledger? Sorry. I remembered that, and it was a thing that I definitely want to respond to. So yeah, this guy Happy Hawaiian did great at predictions. Let me see if he actually said anything else after that. 3 hours. Seeing many comments today on used car CPI being up month over month despite Manheim being down. There's a lag between... I don't know what Manheim is. I need to do some research there. CPI tracks sales prices from the dealers rather than the auction prices. CPI never fully reflected the previous increase. A couple of comments. CPI never fully reflected the previous increase, so it's still increasing. No change from previous post. It sits doing nothing. Literally 0% chance on this one. Would need nuclear Armageddon. The bear market is just barely getting started for #gold. This is one of the largest and most concerning double top reversal patterns that I've spotted on charts. Here's how it could play out. Wait, is this really gold? CFDs on gold. Oh yeah. He's calling this and this a double top, bro. It is a double top if you talk about these two tops, but I don't know if I believe in the chart completely going down. But I do know there was some crazy news saying like they found like something that could double the gold supply. Wrong double top. You're trying to look into the bigger picture. Look at the two close double top from 2020 to 2022, which are these two here. Gold is too strong of an asset fundamentally to drop this bad, according to TA. That's your mistake right there. 1400 to 1200 most probably. Then they'll move sideways. Okay. For this to happen, people have to sell gold and buy Bitcoin and accept it globally as a store of value. Only then Bitcoin will fulfill its true motive. We're gonna be on the Bitcoin standard. Oh wait! Oh, we got the info. We got the film. Mannheim is an automobile auction company and the world's largest wholesale auto auction. Okay, I definitely did not know that. Definitely did not know that. Oh my god, I already read this. Iron Lux Trader, what's going on? Nice to see you. How can a seed phrase be verified if there's nothing to verify it against? I would think that seed phrases almost have to be recorded somewhere. Shaman says, exactly. Teddy, why pumping now? Because they're just printing money, bro. What is stopping the federal government from just printing more money and buying Bitcoin on the cheap? Oh, we need another dump? Oh, don't worry, we'll buy up the dump. They're ready, bro. They're ready with their wallets. They got Phantom in their wallet. Dude, I missed that song. Does that song still exist? Should we end the stream on Phantom? PhantomProject.io. I have no clue how my stuff is doing here, but many of you know I am invested in this. Where's the song? They haven't even updated their website in a long time. The team? Oh wow, this Matthew guy finally is on here. Phantom Coder, blockchain developer. Dark Web Dorsey, core advisor. Dark Web Zuckerberg, operative. J, social media. Somewhere on here they have the Phantom in my wallet. Where's the song? Oh, they took the video down. Come on. How are we gonna know? Phantom in my wallet song. I'll never have the song. Damn it, King's Broadcast only one is a song. Gotta put it away. There's a song, and the song's like, you got Phantom in your wallet. So if you don't got Phantom in your wallet, you're not doing good. Have you looked at Ka? No, I have not. I have not looked at Ka. I simply just want to listen to the Phantom in my wallet song. But it's fine. I'll be sad instead. Yeah, so that was about gold. Not much difference between the gold chart and Bitcoin chart, other than 2022 gold permables sound just like the 2010 gold permables before prices puked into a bear market. Take some profits if you have them, or at a minimum, raise your stop loss orders. I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart. It does look like the gold chart, though. It really does. The double peaks, man. We'd hit the double peaks. Glad we are here at the end of all narratives. Here at the end of all things. Dude, I freaking love Twitter sometimes. Let me tell you. Oh yeah, by the way, we'll have some of you here that are going to catch the stream later. We have been talking as Shibnobi as a company, right? They're going to ask their core team to do more social media interactions, meaning entering Twitter spaces during the daytime and stuff. I may be selected for that, so if you do see me more active on Twitter, not ignoring you guys on YouTube, but I have to find a happy medium between Twitter and YouTube. So goal is 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the evening or more. And that's what I'll be sticking to as we go. Gold. Gold. It sounds weird when you type it like that. So just being completely transparent, you may see me on Twitter Spaces more. Check me out there. I'm pretty much as an open book, so you'll see me anywhere. I behave the same exact way. You'll get the same Teddy. This is not a fake persona. I don't try to bring my personality up for the camera or anything. How you see Teddy on your video screen right now is how you'll see Teddy off your video screen on Twitter as well. No changes. Guys, I think this is a good ending point here. I appreciate you stopping by. A lot of fun things. I'm gonna talk to Dusty Tillerson, try and get him on the channel. Maybe, it'll be fun to educate ourselves on exactly what's happening with the market. And if he can't come on, I'm gonna try to get the cliff notes and I will relay the information to you guys. Let me see here. I am down. Dusty Tillerson is down. All right. Okay, cool. Mike, we shall hang out and we'll do it. Either I can't do Friday, and then tomorrow we're doing something with it. I can do Saturday or Sunday, so let's choose one of those dates. Teddy, background music is too loud. Oh my God, why would you tell me this now? Why would you tell me this now, Red Sox? Why would you tell me this now? But yes, I am ending. I shall see you guys tomorrow morning between 7:30 and 8 a.m. I tend to start, and then I go for 30 minutes. So by 8:30, we're done, right? So, guys, thanks for watching. I will catch you next time. Goodbye. Keep it real. Smoke that like button.